Never thought I'd be doing this. Welcome to my shower.
First, I just start off by making sure the water penetrates my hair. I do this for a while because one, I have kinky hair and I need the water to get through every strand. And two, I have put every gel product known to man in my hair this week, so I need it. Also, how do YouTubers not get water on the floor? So anyway, I take my Cream of Nature shampoo. Honestly, I take whatever shampoo I feel like getting at the time. I also have some Shea Moisture. I know, sis. I also have some Shea Moisture in there, but I get whatever says hydrating or detangling or both. So I start with getting the roots of my hair first, and I really don't take the shampoo down or put it directly on the ends of my hair. I just focus on cleaning my scalp and everywhere that I've put hardcore gel product, and then I just am able to get. I was listening to Sierra. Actually, I wasn't listening, I was just singing it. Anyway, so after I do that twice, I go ahead and rinse my hair out. I take my rinsing time as my time to kind of finger comb and detangle it through, because I don't split my hair into sections while I'm shampooing it. Maybe I will once it gets longer, but for now, I really don't have time for that, because that seemed like a lot of work to me, and I'm trying to do the least work as possible. So yeah, I just make sure I rinse everything out, massage my scalp, and kind of finger detangle as I'm rinsing everything out of my hair. Hey. So I take my Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed oil conditioner. I usually use My DNA deep conditioner, but I just decided to pick this up at the store once when I saw it, and boy, it is so good. It detangles so well.
Oh, baby girl. Yeah.
So once I remember how I was raised, I turn my water off and I continue the deep conditioning process. This is the time that I decide to split my hair into 4 sections, because this is when I can get the best detangle. So I keep my Real Tangle Teaser in the shower, and I put more deep conditioner on each section, and I just comb through it and detangle it with the Tangle Teaser. I feel like this is the best detangling brush that I ever have had, because it really gets my kinks. A Denman brush won't do that right away. Then I twist up the section and I just move it right one out the way, and I just keep doing this for every section. It really takes probably about, in total for the detangling, like 7 minutes, because
Get into this line. Wow. Oochie welly welly. Oochie bang bang.
because the slip is so good with the conditioner. So once I'm finished, I take a plastic bag. I don't need your judgment. This is all I have, and this is what I prefer to use. And I wrap it around my head. I get all of the air out, and I use this to deep condition. I wrap a turban around my head and call it a day, because I got stuff to do. It was Taco Tuesday, and that's what I was doing. Got back from Taco Tuesday, which was probably like 3 hours later. You don't have to deep condition your hair that long. I just decided to do it because I had stuff to do. I rinsed the deep conditioner out with the twist still in my hair, and I dried it with a t-shirt because I don't want my hair to fall out. Anyway, so I use Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. I feel like for my hair personally, it's the only leave-in conditioner that works well and also doesn't leave flaky residue at the same time. Then I go in with my black castor oil mixed with some tea tree oil and a little bit of vitamin E oil. You can use whatever oils you want, but I feel like those are the ones that give me the best moisture and shine results. I guess I'm kind of using the lock method, but I do this on all the 4 sections of my hair, and I really work it through by finger detangling some more and then shingling, and then I just twist the section back up until I'm ready to work with it. But I do that for every single section. Once I'm finished, I just take a couple elastic bands. I only do 2 twists per section because that's the amount of hair I got right now. And I just twist each section up to give it some stretch because I don't like styling my hair on super drenched hair. So I wanted to give it a little stretch before I style it. And really, that is all. Okay, so this is all I do for wash days. I try to make it quick, simple, and easy because seriously, like, don't nobody got time for that. That's so much. I don't understand how people dedicate full days to washing their hair. That's insane. Anyway, so this is what I do. I either let this sit on for about 30 minutes to a couple hours. If I don't have anything to do the next day, if it's like a weekend or something, then I will just let it sit until the next day, just to give it a little bit stretch, because I like my hair to be a little bit stretched before I go into my style for the week. So yeah, that's it. There's no magical potions to it. I have 4C hair. I feel like we shouldn't have to take that long to wash our hair, even if we do have the kinkier hair texture. I hope it helped. If you liked this video, then click all the buttons that you want to click. If you didn't like it, click those buttons too. But yeah, man, that's it. Whatever. Bye.